Once you have registered, you're going to be redirected to the Access Welcome page for registered users. You'll know it's the right page because it'll have a congratulations right at the top. Since you've already registered, you can go ahead and skip step 1. Proceed to step 2, which is all about creating your login. To get started, you will need to create a user account for the Access Online e-coaching platform. You can be sure to click the login button right below or visit the hyperlinked website. I'm going to go ahead and click the login button. So it's going to pull up the Access Online page for you to get enrolled in the course. And you'll see you can scroll down and see all the different courses that are available to you. In order to get started, you want to click Get Access for Free. Go ahead and enter your email address. I'm going to go ahead and put my work email address in. Continue. Then it's going to prompt you to click Confirm. Now you want to go ahead and set up an account. So it's going to ask you to set up an account. So I'm going to put my full name and then create a password. I like to create a password that's going to be really easy to remember. And click Complete and view your product once you put your first name, last name, and your password. Once you've fully created your login, you will have the success screen that will get you access to the course. What I like to suggest is that you go ahead and bookmark the page so that you can always have access to it, but you're also going to receive a confirmation email just in case.